I'm here doing an apprenticeship for Redwood Rising. It's a collaborative between 3 organizations that is going to promote second growth redwood forests into old growth conditions through restoration projects. I'm a student at HSU, so this job was made available by Redwood Rising through Save the Redwood League here at Redwood National Park. And we are today doing stem mapping. Stem mapping is a way to represent how the stand truly is representative by dots on a map. It will give the location and the species and kind of the size of the tree. When we take this information back and put it into an Excel program, it'll generate a true to the stand representation of what the stand looks like out here in the park. I'm loving that I'm being able to partake in a project and collecting data and science that is going to benefit old growth conditions to Redwood National Park. I did my research at Humboldt State University on areas that are similar to these plots that are very dense. There's a lot of stems per hectare, and by reducing the stems per hectare, trees are released. So it's a phenomenal feeling to be a part of something that is benefiting the forest.